Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video I'll show you how to fix auto restart problem in Honor X80 Pro Max. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.